also talk about what's happening in Bengaluru. We will, of course, be talking about the leadership tussle. But even as the leadership tussle continues, let's also talk about what the people of Bengaluru are facing. Because Bengaluru techie has now shared a video and he is talking about how he met with an accident. And this is because of the city's infrastructure. He went on to say that he met with an accident because of the pothole-ridden roads. And remember, there has been a lot of anger, after which the Karnataka government also went on to claim that they will be fixing the potholes. But now this techie says that there was a viral video where the road had potholes completely. And even now, months after that, nothing has changed. And he met with an accident right here at that spot in the same road. He says that it is the potholes to blame for his fractured hand.
ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ. ನನ್ನ ಹೆಸರು ಶ್ರೀಧರ್ ಅಂತ. ಗುಂಜೂರಲ್ಲಿ ವಾಸ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ನಾನು ಔಟರ್ ರಿಂಗ್ ರೋಡ್ MNC ಕಂಪನಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡಿರೋದು. ದಿನ ಆಫೀಸ್ಗೆ ಪಂತೂರ್ ರೋಡ್, CDP ರೋಡ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. ನಿನ್ನೆ ಸಂಜೆ ಆಫೀಸ್ ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಮನೆಗೆ ಹೋಗೋದ್ರಿಂದ ರೋಡಲ್ಲಿ ಇದು ಗುಂಡಿಯಿಂದ ಗಾಡಿ ಸ್ಕಿಡ್ ಆಗಿದೆ. ಸ್ಕಿಡ್ ಆದಮೇಲೆ ನಾನು ಸ್ಕೂಟರಿಂದ ಬಿಟ್ಟು ನಮಗೆ ರೈಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಫ್ರ್ಯಾಕ್ಚರ್ ಆಗಿದೆ. ಅದಕ್ಕೂ ನಾವು ಹಾಸ್ಪಿಟಲ್ ಹೋಗ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗಿತ್ತು ಅದಕ್ಕೂ ಸರ್ಜರಿ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಂತ. ಸೊ ಇದು ಪನತೂರ್ ದಿನ್ನೆ, ಗುಂಜೂರ್ಪಾಳ್ಯ ರೋಡ್, CDP ರೋಡ್ ತುಂಬ ವರ್ಷಗಳಿಂದ ಗುಂಡಿಗಳು ಫಿಕ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ತುಂಬ ಜನಗಳು ಡೈಲಿ ಅದು ರೋಡ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಸೊ ಇದೇ ಥರ ಮಕ್ಕಳಿಗೂ ಬೇಜಾರಾಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ದಯವಿಟ್ಟು ಸರ್ಕಾರಿ ಆಫೀಸ್ಗಳು ರಿಕ್ವೆಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡೋದು ಏನಂದರೆ, ನೀವು ಗುಂಡಿಗಳು ರೋಡ್ ಫಿಕ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನೀವು ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳು.
So this is what the techie goes on to say, that this is our daily commute, please fix the potholes. And this has been an appeal for many citizens who have spoken about it. Now you'd also remember just a few months ago, many of those who were criticizing the government and the infrastructure were also criticized by the government, going on to say that there's politics around it. Neha, there was a huge campaign. Many had been talking about the potholes in Bengaluru. In fact, it has been going on for several years now. Now the techie says, despite a lot of outrage just a few months ago, nothing has changed on ground. What is it that you're seeing as far as the potholes in Bengaluru are concerned, amid questions that infrastructure and the development in Bengaluru is taking a back seat due to this power tussle?
Well, understandably so, Pratibha. Of course, citizens here having to pay a price with their backs and, fractures quite literally here that are being reported. You see a resident over here of, in fact, Panatur Outer Ring Road, a road that's, commuted upon by several people, of course, here putting out that emotional appeal there as he's in that sling to the authorities, urging them to fix this road. While, of course, this has been one stretch of road that's been constantly in the headlines. Multiple repairs and fixes here, of course, to this road have yielded very, very poor results. Days after it's repaired, this road goes back to square one. That's been the biggest complaint of officials. In fact, the Deputy Chief Minister himself, DK Shivakumar too, in 2024 had said that, they would look into this personally, but despite that, accidents continue, children's lives continue to be at stake. And of course, in the midst of all of this here, you have a power tussle that's taking place. Citizens obviously questioning at this point in time whether development has taken a back seat, while of course there have been quick fixes that we've seen across the city as far as potholes are concerned. And largely, while of course, a cover-up was done in most parts, it clearly seems like the problem is much more deep-rooted than this and needs to be addressed, probably with a little bit more sincerity is what residents feel.
Okay, all right. Neha, thank you for joining us with all those details, because people have been talking about it for a long time. Will there actually be a change in ground? The Bengalurians, people of Karnataka, are certainly hoping so. Well, with that,